Hello Jawas! In this video we're actually going to assemble two components because neither of them is particularly complex. But before we start, let's talk about parts a little bit. This is about a 2.5-inch diameter 4-watt 4-ohm speaker. We get these from a company called Jameco for about $4 each. Now let me tell you that your technicians here in Jawa Labs are not audio experts. So in order to find a speaker that pairs well with the amplifier we're using, we simply ordered a lot of speakers and then picked the one that was the loudest. I think you'll find that this has an acceptable volume for a crowded con floor and is startlingly loud at full volume in an enclosed space. Use your volume control to set it for where you would like it to be for wherever you happen to be trooping. Now this speaker just has wire lugs rather than leads coming to it. So we're going to be installing wires, and we're actually going to use these excess wires that we cut off of our glove buttons because, you know, Jawas are all about reuse and recycling. Now we're going to keep these nice tinned ends of the wires to go into our screw terminals, so we're actually going to strip the leads from the insulation from the other side of these wires to attach here. Now, the second assembly we're going to make is our fan assembly. These are 5-volt brushless blower fans. The blower part just means that they blow out of the side here, not out of the front or the back. They do take in air from the side. Now, these are readily available from Amazon in packages of 5 for about $10. One thing that you want to note here is that these wire connections are a common failure point. Now, I've gone ahead and added some E6000 to these to keep the wires in place and help reduce failures. We're going to cut these leads to about 6 inches and then connect them, the appropriate wires, to this male jack that will later plug into our main board. You could, strictly speaking, you could really wire these directly into the board, but having a jack in the middle just makes assembly a little bit easier. So let's get started. right, and that's that for our two assemblies. We are done with this section and we'll move on to other pieces.